Hi guys, in this video we are going to focus our attention on create field option. So let's try to add a new field, but before adding any new field, let's first change this image right over here. Instead of image, let's change it to thumbnail URL. Why I'm doing this? Because I'm going to use this image property and create a field for that. So for now, let's start by adding some new fields. And in the create field, let's see what options we have got. We have got many options like text, text area, URL, image. So let's see what we can do about these one by one. So let's add a format, and we are going to create a text field for that. Next, let's add a create field for text area, and let's add keywords for this purpose. Keywords, let's add another field, and this time let's try to create a field for URL, and maybe use same as. Let's add a next value, and this time let's create a field for we have seen number, it's similar to text. Let's add an image. Let's add an image schema, and finally let's add a date created field, and this time we need to select a date field type as date. So looks good. If we just save this and let's get back to our posts. And we are going to use our first post. We scroll down, these are all the field types that we have just created. So it's a text field, then an area field, text area field, it's a URL field, an image one, and also a date one. So let's first add a date, maybe use any date, or maybe just use it 2016. Add a media, let's select an image for this as well. And format is, if we click on this book format, it will tell us what book formats are allowed, or maybe paperback. So let's just copy this. It's a paperback. Let's add some dummy keywords. So it's maybe dummy, and also a novel, and good read. We can add any keywords over here. And for same as, let's add a dummy URL for now. So let me just paste it. Same as a test book. Ideally, this URL will be a link to a page that already has some information about this book, so that Google or any search engine can link these two items in their indexing. So let's just update this, and let's view the post. Let's test its schema. And inside a book, if we just scroll down, there is this keyword, and keywords are added, or we have same as, similar to this one. Our image is also added, and date created is also added as well. So all these four fields are added, and it has already picked up the URL of the image that we have selected in this edit screen. We also added format, so let's check if it is there. Okay, so book format is also there, which is equal to this paperback book format that we just added. So this is how we can add a different schema. If we go to our other book, That was our favorite book. There will be no schema as we haven't filled these fields over here. If we go to this edit post for this second book, let's update its name as well so that we know it's a second book. So their format keyword same as all these fields are empty. So since these are empty, now if we view this and try to test this schema, these properties shall not be there, but we can add easily. For instance, let's add up in the book format. Let's add hardcover. Okay, it should be small c, update, and this time if we test the schema of our second book, we have got our book format which is equal to hardcover. So this is how we can benefit from this create field option. In the future we plan on adding more field types, and by the time you see the video there might have been a new fields type added to this create field option. So thank you for watching, and if you have any questions leave it in the comments. Have a nice time. Bye.